Hi, welcome friends to Wow Wednesday. Today we're going to be carving out our pumpkin. And we have a special guest with us, Miss Soar. Let me get out of the way so she can...
Hi friends! Hola!
Wave, say hola, say wave to Miss Soar. She's going
Hola.
to repeat everything in Spanish for us.
You want to sit over here, Soar?
So this morning we talked about what was the outside of our pumpkin. Does anybody remember what this is?
Esta mañana hablaron de lo que era una calabaza. ¿Alguien recuerdan de lo que hablaron esta mañana?
The stem. And then what is this called again?
¿Cómo se llama eso que la maestra está señalando?
A pumpkin, right? Is it hard or is it soft?
¿Es dura o es suave?
Very good. It's hard.
Good job, Melanie.
So you told me this morning, I'm going to bring it closer to the camera. You told me this morning that the pumpkin has seeds inside. It has goo inside. It's mushy and spiky.
La maestra le preguntó esta mañana y ustedes le dijeron que la calabaza tiene semillas por dentro, que es mojadita y gooey.
So we have our pumpkin, and if you watched the video the other day, we have to cut it out in the top in a circular way, right? We have to go in a circle.
La maestra dice que si ustedes vieron el video el otro día, ya les enseñó cómo iban a cortar la calabaza y en la parte de arriba lo van a cortar en forma de círculo.
Oh, we have a new friend. Hi, Lucas. Welcome. We started talking about cutting out our pumpkin. Hi, Lucas.
Hola, Lucas.
Say hi to Miss Soar.
Hi.
Miss Soar is our special guest today.
Hola.
So we described the outside of our pumpkin, and now we're going to cut it in a circle.
La maestra describió la parte de afuera de la calabaza y ahora la vamos a cortar la parte de arriba en forma de un círculo.
And we're going to use a knife.
Vamos a usar un cuchillo.
If you do this at home with your pumpkin, make sure mommy or daddy or a family member that works with the knife.
Que si ustedes van a cortar la calabaza en la casa, acuérdense de que mami y papi tienen que estar con ustedes, ¿ok?
Now I'm going to cut into it. You ready?
La maestra va a cortar ahora.
Ooh, see, it's hard. You definitely...
La calabaza es dura para cortar.
I'm going to turn it over. I'm cutting a circle.
La maestra está cortando un círculo en la parte de arriba de la calabaza.
Okay. Can you... Oh, somebody else wants to join. Hello.
Hola.
Welcome, Desmond.
Hola, Desmond.
Miss Soar is our special guest today. So we are cutting out our pumpkin. And I'm going to bring it closer so you can see. A circle.
La maestra cortó la calabaza y la cortó en forma de círculo.
Now, what is this called again? This part of the pumpkin?
¿Cómo se llama esa parte de la calabaza?
Lucas, what is this called?
Stem, yeah.
Stem, right.
El tallo.
I'm going to pull on the stem. Let's see what happens when I pull on it. And I'm going to twist a little bit.
Oh.
Whoa, can you see that?
Pueden ver, la maestra la cortó y la jaló por el tallo y mira lo que salió.
So we have here, what do you see?
¿Qué ustedes ven?
What's this?
What a,
¿Qué es eso?
Has seeds in it, right?
Seeds.
seeds.
semillas.
Seed. And these little strings. Yes, right. These, see the strings that are coming down? They're called fiber strands. Fiber strands. And that's what's attached to the seeds, and they help the seed grow.
Look at that. Pumpkin did that?
So I'm going to lay the stem on our platter.
It's carving pumpkin.
And then let's look inside. Can you see inside?
Yeah. Look,
See
look
inside?
Look inside.
Miren dentro de la
Desmond, look.
calabaza.
Inside. You see the pumpkin?
See inside?
You see it, Melanie? You see?
Now I'm going to take a scoop.
La maestra va a utilizar una cuchara para sacar lo que tiene adentro.
What am I going to do with the scoop?
¿Qué ella va a hacer con la cuchara?
I'm going to dig inside.
Good job, Mel.
Good job, Melanie. And look at all those seeds and fibrous strands I pulled out.
Let's
I'm gonna scoop some more.
La maestra va a sacar todas las semillas y todos esos hilitos de fibra que tiene adentro la
Can you
calabaza.
see all that goo? Like Alex said this morning, the goo coming out, fibrous strands, and oh wow, look at all those seeds.
Lucas, is there more than 5 seeds? Remember this morning you said there was 5 seeds in there? Look. Is that more than 5?
¿Tiene más de 5 semillas?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
look at this.
Well, I'm getting some on the floor. Uh-oh. Making a mess.
Melanie, what do you think this feels like?
Melanie, ¿cómo tú crees que eso se siente?
Yeah, no touch.
You want to see a closer look now? I took a lot of the seeds out.
Look at the pumpkin.
There's still some more in there, but not too many. And I'm going to bring the platter closer to the camera so you can see all the fibrous strands and the seeds.
Miren todas las semillas y la fibra que tenía dentro la calabaza.
Melanie, you think it looks yucky? I see you making a yucky face.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut a triangle into my pumpkin.
La maestra ahora le va a cortar formas a la calabaza, le va a hacer unos ojitos en forma de triángulo.
Let's see if I can pop it out. Can you see? Whoa, it popped out. The
Ella cortó
triangle.
un triángulo. I think you have to get closer.
Yeah.
Hi.
See it?
What shape?
Yes.
What shape? Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. And then what do you think this part of the pumpkin is? The inside right here. Anybody know? Show it to the... No, this was the stem.
De stem, ajá.
That was the stem.
Eso es el tallo de la calabaza.
The inside is called the flesh. The flesh. Like an apple. You know how the white part in the apple is the flesh? This is the flesh. So I'm going to cut out another triangle.
Ahora la maestra le va a cortar otro triángulo a la calabaza.
What do you think she's going to make?
¿Qué
There you go.
ustedes creen que la maestra va a hacer con la calabaza?
What's that, Melanie? Eyes, you think?
Sí.
Good thinking.
Good thinking. How many triangles did I cut out?
¿Cuántos triángulos cortó la maestra?
2.
2, dos. Very
Very
good.
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 Hey, what do I need? If I'm going to make, if I have eyes, what do I need? What else do I need?
Si la maestra le cortó 2 ojitos a la calabaza, ¿qué otra cosita ella necesita para hacer una cara?
You need a boca, right?
Lucas is saying nariz, which is nose.
Nariz,
Oh.
yes. And Melanie said boca.
Muy bien, Lucas.
I'm going to try and make a nose. I'll make a little. Oh, I did
next. Boca's coming next, Melanie. Yes.
What do you want me to do? What's the
¿Qué
Boca
ustedes
mouth.
quieren que le haga
That's a
ahora?
mouth?
Let it go through the mouth.
I'm
Mouth.
gonna try. Good. Yeah, mouth.
Boca.
La boca.
La boca?
Ajá.
Okay.
La boca. La boca.
We're gonna sing.
I'm trying. All right. I'm using my muscle like we used this morning for our pumpkin workout.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, what do you think? Is he happy looking?
Is that a happy face?
La calabaza
Yeah.
está contenta, tiene
Yes.
una carita alegre.
It's a happy pumpkin.
And I'm
Una
gonna put
calabaza
the.
feliz.
And I made. Do you know what this is called?
¿Cómo se llama?
What do you call a pumpkin that has a face? I heard
A
jack-o'-lantern.
jack-o'-lantern. Very good. Everybody pat yourself on the back. You did a fantastic job.
Good job.
And that is our class from pumpkin. So you can do this with your pumpkin at home.
Esa es la calabaza de ahora del salón. Ustedes ahora pueden hacer una en la casa si desean.
But remember, make sure to do it with a family member.
Pero recuerden siempre tener un adulto cerca de ustedes, ¿ok?
Well, that's it for our Wow Wednesday. This is our very first one, too, but we're going to have many more to come. So thank you for joining us. We'll see you again at 12:30 for our read aloud of The Color Kitten. All right, my
Nos
friend?
vemos luego a las 12.
Bye. Thank you, Miss Sora.
Gracias.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Look at Desmond.
Bye, Desi.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later. Desi, can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Bye, Alexander.
Bye, Alexander.
Bye.
Oh.